Hey guys, so I'm back with the little transformer here that I was taking apart. So, like I said, I didn't want to make a video of me banging on this thing, trying to loosen all the little sleeves out. So, got most of them out, and I just want to show you what these things look like. So, these are kind of wound up, not wound up, well, with the copper wound around them, like all nice and tight. So, once you start taking a few of these out, all of the other ones just come out. Sometimes they're glued together. You know, you just have to kind of break the glue and everything to just start coming out. I want to show you guys this. So hit them with a hammer. I use the hammer and a chisel to get the first 3 or 4 out, but once you get 3 or 4 first ones out, all the other ones start coming out really smoothly. They're just like little sheets. And obviously the more you take out, the easier they come out. Just take them out with a little knife. Be careful at first. These could cut you. See how easy they just come out? Loosen them a little bit and then they just come out, no problem. Then once we get all these out, next step is to unwind the copper. This copper looks really nice and thick. Go one more and we should be done. So that'll fell down. Pick that up. So now we have all of this copper to unwind.